Hello, I am Rackie, energy healer, intuitive, and spiritual teacher, and this is your healing message for the week of April 28th. For the beginning of the week, for Monday and Tuesday, we got the card Release and Surrender. We shower you with blessings of our radiant love. Open your arms and release the challenges that you've held tightly gripped within your hands. Open your hands, arms, and heart to our love and assistance. This card is all about releasing. What are you releasing? You're releasing stress, control, you're releasing resistance, you are letting go of resisting whatever it is that you don't like or that you wish was different and instead going into surrender. But like I've mentioned a few times already, surrendering is not about giving up. Surrendering is about trust. So trusting on what? Trusting that everything happens for a reason and that reason serves us our highest good. So releasing the struggle, releasing the stress, the resistance, and going with the flow because you trust. For the middle of the week, for Wednesday and Thursday, we got the card family. This situation is rooted in an emotional experience with a family member, which we can help you to understand and heal. In your mind and heart, surround this person, yourself, and the experience with calming blue light and many angels. Be open to the gifts within the situation and allow yourself to feel peace. So we've gotten this card now quite a few times also um, in a short period of time. When they repeat this often is because we continue to work on this. We have, energy doesn't work in a week. And these are weekly messages, and energy, gives you the opportunity to work on things for a while. And so this energy then it means that it continues. You have the opportunity to heal uh, experiences or emotions that have been caused by experiences lived with your birth family, your chosen family, even your ancestors. We are either experiencing something the middle of the week that deals with any of these family members, and therefore you're called to work on these relationships, or you are being presented with old wounds that keep coming up, and you have the opportunity now to release these old wounds. This is a message of creating harmony, forgiveness, but more than anything, coming into a deeper understanding of what happened or did not happen, the absence of presence as well within these relationships. Then for the end of the week, for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we got the card wedding. Marriage is a union of two souls joined in love, mutual respect, and commitment. It signifies a desire to deepen love over time. Your wedding day is a testament to your well founded faith in love's power. Continually breathe life into that faith and love, dearest one. So, we've gotten this card a few times already, just like family. And like I mentioned, it's because you have the opportunity to continue to work on this theme, on this subject. And like I mentioned before, sure, we could take this card very literally. You may be getting married or engaged or an anniversary is coming up. But more than anything, this card is about commitment. And commitment could also be within ourselves more than anything. And when I talk about ourselves, is commitment to ourselves, commitment to our purpose, commitment to our belief systems, commitment to our goals. So, coming into alignment and bringing back that kind of harmony within yourself. That card prior to that was family, is harmony within relationships. And this one is about your own self. Life experiences from time to time cause us to lose ourselves. And this card requires you to get to know who you are, what you like, what you don't like, um, so what are your goals and what you've been wanting to do, what you have committed yourself to, and so it requires analyzation. We're not resting this weekend. We are working this weekend so that you can bring harmony and alignment within yourself. If you're liking my healing messages, don't forget to subscribe so you can keep receiving them. Leave me some comments. I would love to hear how they resonate with you. And if you like an energy healing session, you can do so at energyhealerrackie.com. Bye.